Welcome to our journey through the captivating history of the Indian stock market. In just 2 minutes, we will explore the highs, lows, and significant milestones that have shaped India's financial landscape. Our story begins in 1875 with the establishment of the Bombay Stock Exchange, the first stock exchange in India. It started as a small gathering of traders under a banyan tree and grew into a financial powerhouse. After India gained independence in 1947, the stock market continued to flourish. The National Stock Exchange, NSE, was founded in 1992, revolutionizing trading with its electronic system. The 1990s marked a significant turning point with economic liberalization. Dr. Manmohan Singh's reforms opened doors to foreign investment, attracting global attention and investment. The Indian stock market experienced remarkable bull runs, such as in 2003 and 2007, but also faced severe crashes, like the one in 2008 during the global financial crisis. Today, the Indian stock market is one of the largest in the world. It's a dynamic hub for investors and traders, offering diverse opportunities for wealth creation. As we wrap up our whirlwind tour of the Indian stock market's history, remember that it's a journey of resilience, growth, and endless possibilities. Thank you for joining us on this brief exploration of the Indian stock market's fascinating history. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content. Until next time, happy investing!